Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make your very own fingerboard, also known as a finger skateboard. What you'll need for this project is your fingers, scissors, a glue gun, glue sticks, a hard surface to work on, and literally as much cardboard you can find. So let's get started. First, grab your hard work surface. I'm just using a giant clipboard, and take your cardboard. If you're using a cereal box, take it apart to where it's completely flat like this. Oh yeah, I forgot about this, but you'll also need a marker or a pencil or pen. I'm using a Sharpie. Hashtag not sponsored. So first, take your cardboard and measure out your fingers, your two fingers like this, and make it wide to depend on how big your fingerboard's gonna be. Make it bigger than you want it to be. My fingerboard is gonna be about that size. Now cut this shape out. Now you might be using thin cardboard like me, and that's why you need as much cardboard as you possibly can find. Now take this piece of cardboard and another piece of cardboard, and why does the camera keep blurring up? Take this piece of cardboard that you just cut out and trace it again. It doesn't really matter how neat the drawing is because you're going to be covering this up with more cardboard. Now cut this piece out. Once you have two pieces like this, stack them on top of each other to make sure that they're even. Make sure your fingers can still be on there. Now, take your hot glue gun and glue these two together. I'm just going to, because it doesn't take a long time for the glue to dry. Make sure to press it down really hard. And this will be hot, so be careful. Make sure to press it down really well to make sure that all of the glue is stuck. Take it again and trace it again. After you're done with that, bend the top with a marker like this. And then you have the skateboard shape. You cut a super thin strip of paper. Not paper, you need to cut a super thin strip of cardboard. Let me tell you, this is super thin. It's super thin, it can bend really easily. So if you already know how to make paper beads, I will not explain to you how, but you need to make two paper beads, and you need to make sure that they can fit onto, into the piece of cardboard, and that it spins around comfortably. And there is your finished skateboard. I named it 2018. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.